So what do you need to do astrophotography? First of all, you need a tripod. Photography tripod is okay. The tripod has to be perfectly horizontal, and then it's necessary to have a tilt head, and this is the tilt head I use. If you're going to track the stars with a star tracker, and yeah, I imported this. I bought it from eBay from China. It works well. You can buy a more expensive one. There are special brands for this. Vixen are doing some. They have some tilt heads for the star tracker, but this one was a decent price and it works well. And you can set the angle here, and you can set it to the latitude of the location where you're observing. It should aim straight at Polaris, which is at an angle that is precisely the latitude. So, for instance, in Scandinavia, it's over 60 degrees latitude. And if you're at the equator, it should be 0 degrees. Then it should be horizontal, like this. Then you have the Polaris in the horizontal, straight at the horizon, whereas if you're at the North Pole, you should have it straight up in the zenith at 90 degrees. In Europe, around Europe, I think 50 degrees, I don't know exactly. But in any case, as I mentioned, here you can set it, have it to 60 degrees here, something like that. And then I have added this clamp. Here you can have a Arca Swiss plate, to which I use an Arca Swiss plate to attach the star tracker to this tilt head. And then if the angle is correct, you can aim straight at Polaris, the northern star, the North Celestial Pole. And if the alignment is perfect, the star tracker will lock to the movement of the star, and the stars will become perfectly static in the images. And then you can take long exposures. With a small star tracker on this one, I have actually done up to 12 minutes of exposures of deep sky objects. But that is difficult. I mean, 12 minutes, you have to be perfect. But still, if you have this correct angle and you aim to the north, you should even, just with the compass and the correct angle, make a rough setting of this one. And you can still take, I think, up to 1 minute exposures, even if the alignment is not perfect. So this is a cheap way to do it. There are specialized equipment for the star tracker and this kind of tilt head. But those specialized astronomy gear is really expensive. This works just as fine as well as that. So I'm always, I prefer building the things myself. So that was everything for this time. I can show you later how I attach the star tracker to this one.